of Queen and somebody who's waiting with bated breath, Vikas Behel, to join us on stage, please. A round of applause for Vikas. You've shot with Siddharth. So why
Shot
is
with Varun and Sid, I've shot with Varun and I've shot with Arjun.
and so why
And I've
is
shot with
this
Shahid.
cover with
Personally, I believe that this is the best shot that I've gotten. I mean, every cover has a different this thing, but personally, I mean, I'm not going to like every picture of mine, and I like this picture of ours the most. And this shoot, in fact, just the vibe, even the inside pictures, not once did I feel like we were posing for the camera. And I also feel like that also credit also goes to the very.
Nth. I heard my end film. I heard my end film fair cover. Subtle message. I thought Jitesh was okay. No, it's awesome, and I agree with Alia. The fact that whenever we kind of do something together, it seems to kind of have a good vibe, and I think we did this very spontaneously, this cover, and we actually, it was really hot when we were shooting, and so we shot everything really fast. We probably had 10 minutes to do each picture, and it turned out really cool. Yeah, all fun stuff. It was a Shandar photo shoot. We're very happy with it.
ये जो शॉट हमने लिया उन्होंने लिया था, ये हमने शॉट खत्म करके जब हम लोग वापस वैन की तरफ जा रहे थे, शायद जस्ट स्टार्टेड टिकलिंग मी, और फिर ये शॉट उन्होंने ऐसे ही रैंडमली खींच दिया. So sometimes looks nice.
कुछ अच्छे सवाल पूछ लो, नहीं तो हम बकवास करने वाले हैं. हमारी पिक्चर कल रिलीज हो रही है, दिमाग चल नहीं रहा है.
Let me ask Vikas a question. So after Queen, is it like, are you daunted about the fact that you have a film releasing tomorrow and all of that? Are you nervous? What do you feel like?
Yeah, I don't know what to do with myself actually. So I woke up in the morning, I said, wherever these two are going, next 2 days I'll just tag along. So I got to know they're coming here, तो मैं पूंछ की तरह ऐसा पीछे इधर आ गया. But no, I really enjoyed making Queen, really enjoyed making Shandar, and like a school teacher. And I think the best part of making a film is making it and releasing it. So the best part is done, and now rest will follow when everyone watches and tells us what they think.
Are you nervous of making a film coming in the wake of Queen?
That would be an understatement. ये theater के अंदर और देखिए आपको कितना मजा आता है. But we had a really good time making it, and I think that's the best part of the reason why we're in this business. We had a great 1 year, because when you make a movie, the Thursday or Friday is as important as the 1 year that you spent making it. So I think this 1 year, I'm so glad I gave this 1 year of my life to this movie, and I really hope that it shows good results by the end of it.
Alia, your take?
I'm very nervous. I'm very excited. I'm enthusiastic. I want to see the audience's reaction. अरे माइक का वॉल्यूम कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा था. लाउड कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा था. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm more excited, and it's good excitement. Like I have butterflies, but I'm always like this during release. So fingers crossed.
I'm happy. That's all I have to say.
So, but Euphoria is coming from where, so can you tell us that also?
माइक थोड़ा पास ले ले भाई, कुछ सुनाई
So
नहीं दे रहा है.
Euphoria आ कहाँ से रहा है? Can you
और
tell us?
पास ले ले थोड़ा.
और
Something big is going to happen. You feel adrenaline, and that usually makes you feel euphoric, which is why I'm feeling happy.
Perfect, good one. Sir, yesterday we met your sister. So she said कि शाहिद ने हमें एक word of wisdom दिया है before getting.
एक ही वर्ड दिया है.
नहीं, word of
34
wisdom
साल
दिया
में
है.
एक ही वर्ड. हाँ, क्या बोला
She
उसने?
said कि be very honest with media, be very honest with your director, be very honest with everyone. So sir, apart that, there's something more to the story.
This is what I told her.
Yes, sir.
I was
She
being
said.
very dishonest when I told her this.
And you mentioned Varun. How about your co-star Fawad Khan from Kapoor and Sons? I mean, are you looking forward to a cover like that one too? How about you, Jitesh? Even your thoughts on this one?
You're asking me how is he?
No. I mean, are you looking forward to a cover with Fawad?
Of course. I think he's very photogenic and he's very good looking, and all the women are crazy about him, and he looks very good in everything that he wears. So why not?
How about you, Jitesh? Do you see that happening?
Why not asking me if I want to do a cover with Fawad?
Are
He's so good looking, and if everybody wants him, then we should use that, yeah, to our benefit. Make a Shandar. किसके साथ? मीरा के साथ. बट वो एक्ट्रेस नहीं है.
तो आप भी कवर कर लेना इनके साथ.
I am happy to put the cover.
Check. Hello, check. Alia, I have a
Yes.
question here.
Yeah.
Talking about Fawad, you're going to do a film with him in the future. What do you have to say about the Shiv Sena targeting Fawad? Like Pakistani actors not promoting their films in Maharashtra.
You know, right now we are, this is not the platform, and there's so much conflict happening right now. Me saying anything to add more conflict, so please let's refrain from asking
At least
any
something,
of
a
that
little
question.
take off.
No, babe, this is not the podium. This is not the podium to talk about that. Right?
Thank you so much.
आलिया आज ही हमने मॉर्निंग में सोशल नेटवर्किंग मीडिया पे आपकी पिक्चर
आपका माइक गर्दन पे है. हाँ.
यू शाहिद एंड मीरा मैडम की हमने पिक्चर देखी, सेल्फी पिक्चर, शानदार सेल्फी पिक्चर देखी.
उसमें विकास सर भी थे.
हाँ, उनकी उंगली.
ये विकास सर का.
वो आप
करेक्ट उंगली उठाओ बेटा.
तो
उनका उंगली हमारे 3 फेस. हाँ, आप पूछिए.
तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा सेल्फी
Experience
का?
क्या मतलब कि
बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सा मोमेंट था मेरे लिए सेल्फी लेना. मुझे बहुत ही सेल्फी मोमेंट था. मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या गुजर रहा था मेरे दिमाग में. मैं बहुत नर्वस थी. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि अभी क्या होने वाला है. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट शायद यू हेल्प मी थ्रू इट.
लेकिन सेल्फी के एंगल में आलिया हमेशा सेल्फीज होती हैं. उनको करेक्ट एंगल चाहिए होता है. लाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अप्रूवल चाहिए होता है उनको लाइट का. और बहुत जद्दोजहद और मेहनत के बाद हमने वो मोमेंट अचीव किया और उस मोमेंट में हमें शानदार महसूस हुआ.
शानदार सवाल.
शानदार.
Alia and Shahid.
Yeah.
One last question before we.
Excuse me.
Yeah, there,
Yeah.
there she is.
So, like you've heard, like Pakistani actors are being banned. Like, they're being banned over here. They're not getting the chance to act. So, what is your take on it?
I've already given the answer. Are you
No, just
listening?
like if
I've
you
given
were
my
in a-
answer. I
Not targeting-
definitely have an opinion. I'm not going to deny that I have an opinion.
So just the
But
opinion.
no,
Ma'am,
I
I
don't
don't
feel like
think-
this is the podium to discuss that right
Yeah,
now.
I
And
don't
let's
think it's the
refrain from
podium to
discussing
Like
discuss
that.
if you were in that place, that is what I wanted to ask.
Ma'am, I
Like,
don't think this is the right podium.
That's
to
what
discuss. This
she's
is a
trying to
Filmfare
say.
launch cover.
But
All right,
Shahid, you have always been saying that Meera is not an actress, Meera is not an actress. Whenever been asked that Vikramaditya Motwani has been approaching Meera to act opposite you in AK versus SK, but still the answer has not been updated.
If
to
you
the
have
media.
questions about Shandar, I'd be happy
Come
to
on,
answer.
Shahid,
If you don't have
please.
questions about Shandar, okay, bye.
Thank you guys so much. Before we end, one last question to both Shahid and Alia. Shahid, you've been, I've been told you've been to the store before. If you can tell us both, this question is for Shahid and Alia. How do you all, I mean, what is the best techno gadget that, you guys associate yourselves with? I'm sure in this day and age, but everyone's technologically savvy. What do you guys do to keep yourselves technologically up to date?
I just listen to Shahid's great banging music on his great banging headphones. That's it. My source to technology is Shahid Kapoor and his music.
So Shahid, would those headphones be your go-to gadget right now?
Actually, the most superior technology that I met in my life is Alia Bhatt, because she has information about everything. If there was anything, any name that the internet should have, it should actually be Alia, because she has information about everything. Yes, so Alia Bhatt is the technology that I enjoy the most.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much to all the personnel from the media for coming here, to our customers, to everyone, to all our guests. Thank you very much. Wishing Shahid and Alia all the very best for Shandar. And thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.